Welcome to the featured video of Magento 2 Quick View Extension by FMEextensions. This extension provides quick view functionality for products in a Magento 2 store, allowing customers to view product details without navigating away from the category page. It enhances the user experience by reducing the steps required for customers to access essential information about a product. The key features of this extension are quick product previews, enhanced user experience, Customizable Quick View Popup, Ajax loading, add to cart from pop-up. How to configure the extension. Log into your Magento 2 admin panel. Navigate to FMEextensions configurations. In the pop-up options section, you can disable the pop-up button, set the pop-up height and label, and choose to display the or close button. In the button options section, you can choose the button position, write the button text, and select the button background, hover, and text colors. After configuring the extension, it's recommended to clear the cache and re-index your Magento store. Now go to the front end and navigate to any category page to see how the extension works. Thank you. For more details, visit this link.